Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Mom. I'm really excited to welcome you all to this channel once again. And I'm going to start building this application, our chat application, where we left off. And this is not just going to be a simple MERN stack app. Rather, I have made a lot of changes to this application as you can see. Now we are not just going to have one-on-one conversation using just socket.io. Rather than that, we are going to implement other third-party chat applications API into this, like Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. And it will be a B2B omnichannel customer support software. What I mean by this is like this software can be really used by businesses out there in order to offer support to their customers. And it's a very big market. So this is not just going to be a simple project for you. You can also make a business out of it. And let me tell you that inside this project, we are also going to add our own chatbot using this drag and drop flow builder, where we are going to have lots of operations that we can use. Okay. And we are going to have all the logic conditions. Okay. Inside this chat. So here, in order to give you an example, I have already created a sample chatbot for you. This is just an example use case for a restaurant. So let's say there is a restaurant who want to automate their reservations. Okay. So this kind of flow may be useful for them. So when a customer comes in and they messages to the restaurant over any communication channel, let's say WhatsApp, Instagram, okay, or any other supported channel, then our chatbot is going to be triggered, or we call it flow. And then it's going to start from the starting step and it will say, okay, welcome to our cafe. Okay. And then it will give the user few options like, what would you like to do today? And they will have few options like have a look at menu or create a new reservation. So it depends on the user. If the user chooses have a look at menu, then this chatbot is going to decide, okay, now I need to send a menu. So the next node will be triggered. And here we can basically configure it by uploading an image of the menu, or we can also upload the document. Okay. Now, after the user takes a look at the menu, we are going to basically decide what to do next. So here you can see this node, it can be connected to this one and it's going to ask the question, would you like to make a reservation now? Okay, after the user takes a look at the menu and the user will have two options, either yes or no. Okay, now if they say no, then it's going to just end the flow with a message saying, okay, thank you for showing interest in our cafe. And if the user chooses to proceed ahead, then it's going to go to this node. So now you understand what this flow is and how it can be useful in many different cases for different businesses. And also it's going to be a really scalable, okay, and a next level project for all of you. And let me also tell you that this project is going to be streamed on YouTube, but only the front end part will be made public. And the backend part, where I'm going to make use of other services rather than just using MERN stack technologies, I'm going to make use of Elasticsearch for making, because this application is a very read heavy application, which means we are going to have lots of API calls for reading lots of data. So we are going to make use of Elasticsearch. We are also going to enable caching using Redis. Okay. And there will be also some, message queues that will be used in the backend. So it's going to be a very big application, okay, with lots of functionalities. And most importantly, this can be turned into a real business. Okay. You can just integrate your payment gateway, add a few more functionality, and turn it into your own company. Okay. So that's why I'm going to make the backend part as paid. So it will be only available to the members of this channel. And there is going to be a membership where you need to pay just $1 to $2 a month. Okay. So it's actually the negligible price that I'm going to charge for the backend. And the front end part, which also covers lots of, logic related to front end, like setting up our project. Okay. How to define the project structure, how to make components, how to customize it, and also it will cover all the integration part. But about building the backend, like the APIs and all the logic related to database, okay, optimization, that will be covered only under membership. So if you want to follow this project, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to like this video. Okay. Just let me know in the comment, okay, whatever you think about this project. And make sure to also share this with your friends So that's it for this video. I'm going to start in the next one. Thank you very much.